Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix no internet connection safe mode with connection. Being in safe mode, open services from the search box. There, you will double-click on the service WLAN autoconfig. In the field Startup Type, select the automatic value. Click on Start to start the service, and then you can apply the changes. Check that you fixed the problem by accessing a website. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.